सिंपल बात है सर, सिंपल बात है, सिंपल थिंग। मैं आपके घर पे बार बार आ रहा हूँ, आई एम कमिंग टू योर होम रेगुलरली। वाई? वाई आई लाइक टू कम टू योर होम? Because every time you are going to present me a tea, coffee, giving us some good response, hug also, sitting arrangement where you are going to sit me very well, you are talking with me, your family, your mother, your father, your sister, your daughter, a son, everyone are talking with me very good, politely way. I feel myself that I am happy into your house, that I am getting a very good response, respect. Same thing that every employee is also looking the respect from the company's all other department peoples. That is called interpretation skill. And this is the exact reason that companies employees are looking to stay more and more time, and they are going to give a right productive and effective work to your companies. If you are going to change your employees each and every time, you have to train them each and every time. So how the number of time that HR people are going to waste, and today's generation that they are very much happy, their resignation is coming, new interview is taking, they are going to waste your time. That's why the employees are not getting satisfied. Gokul bhai,
Agree, agree.
Yeah, yes, sir.
agree
Yes, sir.
करते हो ना?
Yeah,
This is a
yeah,
real,
I know
this
that.
is a real picture, sir. This is the real picture.
This is the real picture. Yes.
This is the real picture. This is the real picture. Still, that business owners are not going to understand. They are not going to understand. Oh, होता है, चलता है, चलने दो, क्या चलने दो भाई? कंपनी एक दिन खत्म हो जाएगी, और बहुत सारी कंपनी को प्रॉब्लम होता है। और जिसका फाइनेंशियल फंड मैनेजमेंट नहीं है, सेल्स के ऊपर फोकस करते हैं, इधर उधर भटकते हैं काम लेने के लिए, वो कुछ नहीं कर पाते सर। बस यहाँ जाना वहां जाना, रात को जागना, सोना नहीं, कुछ नहीं करना है, उसी के अंदर सब चला जाता है, और फाइनली कंपनी खत्म। सही में आज एनपीए, अगर आप इफ यू आर गोइंग टू विजिट ए बैंक, find out there are a lot of NPA, non-performers.
Yeah,
Some,
I know that.
if you have taken some loan from the bank, some financial institutions, some shops, okay, some you have a machinery term loan, CCOD overdrafts. You do not have fund to pay to the bank because you are regularly earning your money from the market and you are going to pay to the bank. Finally, what happens, sir? Turnover getting lost less. If you have a 3 crore CR, you have taken 50 lakhs of CCOD. Now the 1.5 CR, 50% turnover down. Bank says renewal time, sir, you have to pay me 50%. So 650 lakhs turnovers, you have to pay 25 lakhs rupees to the bank for closing the renewal. Again, still there is a 25 lakhs loan is pending. So 25 lakhs you are getting from where? Either you have to take it out from your capital amount, you have to sell something to the market and get the money, and you have to pay. But now you slowly you are going to become a आपके पास पैसा कम हो जाता है, you have a less fund amount, and automatically when you have a getting a good orders, then from where you are getting a money. That's why the companies are getting closed. Lots of
Hmm.
reasons are there. Companies owner are not understanding it. What I am doing, simply what I am doing, कुछ नहीं है सर। हम कंपनी के पास जाते हैं, उनको कोई भी, जैसे गूगल सर टोल्ड मी कि आई वांट टू डू मार्केट रिसर्च। ओके, सो दिस इज द क्वेरी, दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम्स ही इज फेसिंग, कि ही वांट मार्केट रिसर्च, एंड आई एम सर्चिंग फॉर दोज कंपनी कि उनको अपने बिजनेस को डबल से ट्रिपल करना है, विथ मैनेजमेंट सपोर्ट्स। मैनेजमेंट सपोर्ट मीन पूरा मैनेजमेंट एक्टिविटीज, सेल्स, परचेज, फाइनेंसिंग, बैंकिंग, जीएसटी, एचआर, इन्वेंटरी, स्टॉक, मेरे पास सबका नॉलेज, आई हैव एवरीथिंग नॉलेज, each and every department's knowledge I have. So I am going, what I am saying, first we have to make a plan for a business. Let us make a marketing strategy, sales strategy, financial fund strategy, then purchase procurements, your office lookouts, and each and everything we have to put on the paper. Then we are going to bifurcate. This is the what I have, and this is the what we require. If we want to reach XYZ times of sales or market or growth, so this much of amendment you require. If company says we have a fund and we are going to invest for the new development, let us work together. If he is ready, then we are going to start a yearly contract with him. व्हाट इट सर, विपुल भाई, सबसे पहले उनसे पूछना है कि हम आपको एक रिपोर्ट बना के देंगे, वेरी सिर्फ 25,000 का रिपोर्ट बना के देते हैं। रिपोर्ट बनने के बाद वी आर गोइंग टू से दैट सर, अब हम आपके पास, अगर आप तैयार हो इसको अच्छी तरह से इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए, तो हम आपको ये रिपोर्ट देते हैं, वी आर गोइंग दिस रिपोर्ट टू यू एंड यू हैव अ टीम, यू कैन प्रोसेस। बट कंपनीज ओनर सेज कि सर वी डू नॉट हैव अ टाइम टू फॉलो, यू टेक अ सुपरविजन एंड यू डू। then and then we are coming into that company for a 1 yearly contract, and we are going to handle each and every team's department. Tomorrow the person is coming, sir. What exactly we have to do? Tomorrow I am going to discuss what exactly we have to do, and the same thing I am going to discuss with my client and operating with each and every department peoples. If Google sir says, ki, sir, I want to companies of thousands CR, that is the target of customer base. So first of all, this I am going to appoint a salesperson and says this is the targetable goal. That within a month, you have to find out the number of the companies who turnover is more than 1000 CR. So this is the goal oriented work. कंपनी के ओनर अपने एम्प्लॉयज को बोलने जाएगा तो वो एम्प्लॉय मानेगा नहीं। एग्री विपुल भाई? कंपनी के ओनर अगर जाके बोलेगा एम्प्लॉयज को, बेटा तुझे ये करना है, तो वो नहीं समझेगा, सर मैं ये काम में बिजी था, मैं वो काम में बिजी था। लेकिन जब हम उनको टारगेट मैं देता हूँ ना, तब उनके पेपर पे टारगेट होता है, दिस इज द टारगेट, और मैं उनसे एग्री करवा के लेता हूँ मीटिंग के दरमियान कि बेटा तुझे ये करना है, होगा ना? हफ्ते में करेगा, 10 दिन में करेगा? वो बोलता 15 दिन में। मैंने बोला 18 दिन दिया तुझे। कितना दिया? 18 दिन दिया। तो मुझे करके दे। अब वो बंद गए, मेरे जुगाड़ में आ गए सर विपुल भाई। तब उसको ये चीज करके देनी है। वो देने के बाद हम बोलेंगे अपने ये कर दिया है, नाउ कम अगर अनदर वे। ऐसा सेल्स में होता है, ऐसा मार्केट में होता है, मार्केटिंग में, ऐसा परचेस में होता है, ऐसे कंपनी के ओनर के साथ भी होता है। हम क्या करते हैं, हम ओनर को उल्टा घुमाते हैं कि तू अपने ऑफिस में क्यों आ रहा है? पहली बात नहीं बता। ओनर को मैं बोलता हूँ व्हाई आर कमिंग टू योर ऑफिस? बोले सब ये काम होता है, वो काम होता है। मैंने बोला आदमी क्यों रखा है? बोले वो काम करते, वो काम करते। मैंने बोले एक और रख दे, तेरा काम वो कर लेगा। उसको बोलता हूं मैं एमआर। विपुल भाई, विपुल भाई, कंपनी के ओनर के कंपनी ओनर्स जो होता है ना, इसका एक सपोर्टेटिव, जैसे पीए बोलते हैं, उसको मैं एमआर बोलता हूँ, दैट इज फॉर मैनेजमेंट रिप्रेजेंटेटिव। हम एमआर को हायर करते हैं। ओनर का पूरा सर के जितने बाल होते हैं, मतलब पूरा काम जो होता है ना, वो एमआर को दिया जाता है। कंपनी के ओनर्स को एक ही बात क्लियर करना है, सर यू हैव टू थिंक ओनली एंड ओनली हाउ यू कैन डेवलप योर बिजनेस एज अ माइलस्टोन वेट। जब मैं उनको बोलता हूं सर आपको आपके कंपनी के बिजनेस को एक लेवल पे ले जाना है, तो थिंक अबाउट योर सेट, इट मींस ओनर मस्ट हैव अ फ्री। If you are free, you can think lot of things. Then why? Then owner is free, that he can think or not, sir. Right?
Yes.
Agree करते हो Google भाई?
Yes,
If
sir.
owner is free, he can think more and more. So what we do, we are going to appoint a MR. Then all the teams are there. We are going to present the goal setting report to the MR peoples, and we are going to discuss with him. This is the work that is allotted to the each and every department. We are not going to disturb your work. At least we need 1 hours to 1.5 hours per day for completing this job. If salesperson is calling the 20 customers, now I am saying not 20, you can try 25, but every day. So I want a report for every day. You know, Vipul bhai, if you are into salespersons, or even Google bhai, you are into salesperson, you are going to connect with the client and you decide yourself every day 5 customers I have to go. In 7 days, there are about 35 companies call. At least you reach 10 to 15 calls. Am I right?
Yes.
Because you are not going to complete the desired target. But I says I am going to appoint a MR strictly nominated. This much of work you have to do. For that, I am going to make a pressure to the MR that MR you have to connect with every department. Completed. The day is coming. The end is coming. Weekend is coming. Process it. I want a report. So owner is totally free because owner is not dealing with the employee. Right, sir? Now changing. That's why the respect of the owner is going to increase more and more. Respect of the owner is increased more and more. So there are some structuring way that I am doing, sir. And for that I am very much happy. Monthly 1 or 2 visit with the client, full day, motivate the each and every department, what they are doing, what are the growths. A lot of things are there, new games and activities we are playing, we are doing musties and talking and everything. And then because I have to get train them and more and want more and more work from them.